Let's begin by making an abstract 3, a reverse 3 and a wide 3 followed by 2 more 3s just like so. Add details to the ears, draw the eyes, a smile and our bunny is ready. Using the broad part of a blue marker, draw the outline of a dinosaur. Now fill color in its body. With an orange marker, draw semicircular scales right up till its tail and color it. Next, draw the eye. Make pointy teeth and dot some round patches on its back. Draw a 2 and 2 small zeros beside. Connect the 2 zeros with the circle. Draw triangle-shaped eyes and sleepy eyes with lashes. Draw the nose, a mouth and add whiskers. Make a big curved line to join the head to the 2. Next, make a long tail and patches on the head. Excellent! Draw 2 joined circles with 2 reverse C's and 1 reverse 3, 2 Z's above and now complete the eyes. Make an oblong shape just like so. Then draw a belt around the waist and mark some patches below. Do you recognize the cartoon character? That's Patrick Star. Color it!